Hi all. So welcome to the second tutorial on T1 editor. So I hope so in this tutorial we'll see how we can download the tool and then create a basic asset like this. So at the end of this tutorial you'll be able to present something like this. So let's go into the tutorial. Okay, let me just put a little camera on my face. I'm more clear now. Okay. So first we have to go into X4plore.com. Okay, go to the yes, X4plore.com, and as you remember, sign in. So this step is for downloading the tool first. So we will use our sample user. So after you sign in, you'll be taken to the downloads page. So as I told you earlier, there are two versions. One is the OpenGL 4.5 version and another is the 4.3 version. So I'm going to download the 4.5 version. So download. So once you hit download, I'll skip the next steps. You will have something like this. So this is the tool will be downloaded into Windows Pack -45 if you are using OpenGL 4.5 version, or Windows Pack -43.zip. So you can download that anywhere. As you see, I've already downloaded that here as Windows Pack 4.5.2.zip. So I'm just cancelling this one. I hope you save that. So once you do that, go and then install this. So to install this, first you have to go to your downloads page, like wherever you have downloaded, extract the zip folder to wherever you want. And once you extract, you'll be able to see two files, setup.exe or setup.msi. You can use both of them or either of them. And once you click that, your installation will be complete. So I hope the installation process is clear now. So now I'll share the tool. So I assume that we have downloaded the tool. So now let's see what we can do with the tool. So again, let me just minimize the screen. So to open the tool, go on C. Okay. C, program files. Inside program file, go inside X4plore, and T1 editor is the name of the tool, and inside that go to t1tool.exe. So once you go over there, so this is the tool. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I hope you are able to see the tool. So now, first we have to download the tool, and next we have to download an asset. So asset is the one where you can like put all these screens or windows and then share it. So let me just close the tool for now and go inside again. Go inside our web page and go to the assets page, which is right here. So once you are in the assets, there are a couple of assets inside the assets page. So the one we are using is this. So you can download that. You can download any other asset also. So when you download that, again, you will download that into a zip file. So this asset name is whitestudio.zip. So you can save that anywhere you want. So I'll skip that case as well. So let me just give cancel this time. So go. So now I'll open the tool. Okay. Tool.exe. So one more thing I forgot to mention is that when you first open the tool, it will ask you to sign in. So the sign in is just like the regular sign in that you do in your web page. So when you sign in, give your username and password that you use to create your profile in the web page. So once you go inside the tool, go to the left top corner. So in the file button, click file and load. So in the load, you'll be able to see a pop-up and it says choose workspace. So click choose workspace, and in this one your file menu will open. So it is not being clear. Let's go to the center. So here we have download, we have our asset inside the downloads. You can put that wherever you want. So click White Studio 2, and right here White Studio.w4x4p. So this is the format of our asset. So you can click that and then click open. So when you click open, the path comes here, and again click load. So when you click load, your asset will be loaded into the tool. So you won't be able to see the entire asset at the beginning. So you have to move the camera to see that. So there are a range of camera points that are already defined inside the tool. So go to the left widget, which is here. So this is the camera move widget. We'll be using that often when you are recording. So select this list box. It says selected camera. So select this list box and then click main camera. So we'll be able to see a range of points. So these are the points. These are the camera points that are predefined for this particular set. So you can click the default view. So you'll be able to see the set. Center is the one which focuses on the presenter. You can go for a close-up, default, bit center. So default one will be nice, and then like this is for default. So you can choose any point, and also you can add your own points. We'll see about that later. So let me come to the default view again. So I assume that so now we'll see how we can present the tool or present a screen or present a window inside one of these templates. So this is the tool, and currently you are seeing this template. Okay. So in order to share a window or a screen, it is very simple in R2. So you select any plane that you want by right clicking on that plane. So just right click on the plane. So I'm going to share my Google Chrome page inside this template. So you right click on the plane. Once you do that, go to the import button, which is on the right side of this plane inside the video player widget. So right mid, yeah. Go and then click import, and once you do that, it will ask you for the source of your input. So you can feed cameras, you can feed a video, you can feed a window, monitor, or an audio mic. So in our case, this is a window. So select window source, and you will be able to see all the windows that are present. Okay. So asset Google Chrome is here. So click that. and once you do that, you have to hit the play button after that. So once you hit play, yeah, hold on. Now your screen is shared inside the window, and you'll be able to see the screen. So whatever now happens in the screen gets reflected in your tool, and when you are presenting it, you'll be able to observe that. So for a change, I'll present the current window that I am using for record. So we'll stop this. Playing. Okay. No. Okay. Import, and so I'm sorry, you won't be able to see what I'm doing here. So I'm changing my presentation to the presentation that I'm using currently. Yeah. Okay. So now this is the presentation window that I'm using for presenting this. So you'll be able to see a reflection of me within me, within me, within me. Because I'm sharing the window and I'm simultaneously showing you how it can be done. So now all the actions that I do gets reflected. So this is the window. As you can see, it's very simple that we have shared the window. Oh. So coming back to center. So this is the current tool that I'm using it for recording. So in one of the assets, we have loaded the asset. We have right clicked on the plane, clicked the import button, and shows window source. So let's just have the tool in one of the window, and the asset that I showed you has two windows, like has two placards. Basically, you can import your source in any of the objects that is already inside that is present inside the scene. So this is our scene. So okay. So this is our scene. All the points are within our scene. View for default. Okay. So first we shared how we can share the window screen. So then if you want to share the camera, you just click anywhere the object and then click import and camera source. So I already shared the camera source. So since I've already shared the camera source, we don't need to share it again. So we'll just close that. Okay, maybe I'll stop the camera source and I'll try to share it again. Stop it. Okay, let's put another window here. Okay, since I'm selecting this, I'm selecting this. Import a window source, and let me put Google Chrome here. Okay, now you see Chrome and the window. So this is the Chrome. Basically, if you see this set, if I stop this feed, okay, So this is the plane that we have. So on this plane, we are projecting our window or monitor or camera. So let me just go back to projecting the camera. So in order to do that, select the window using the right click mouse button. Now let me just show you that. So once you do that, go and then click import camera source, and once the camera source is present, here is the camera source, or click the HD camera with that is my camera name. So once you do that, now you are able to see the camera source. So this is the camera source. So now we have shared the camera and a window in this one. So not only that, for example, this window, but this is not the same camera that we used to have previously, right? So we can apply effects on our already existing input sources. So you just right click that, again go to the video player widget. So this is the video player widget. Center, maybe to the right. So in the video player widget, this is our video player widget. Okay, I think you are done now. I don't think you are able to see this properly. I think now you do. Okay. So in this widget, there are 3 objects. So each object has a source. So camera source is present in the side plane. So you click that, and then down you see this add video filter option. So I think plane is the one that is having the camera. Okay, nothing. Okay, plane is the one that is having the camera source. So you click that, and you click the add video filter button. So when you click that, it will show you a range of filters. So it will be a range of filters like a green filter, green screen filter, which lets you take any color out of the input source, or the crop filter. So in our case, we'll use the crop filter. So when you click the crop filter, your filter gets added to your window. That's why you are not able to see this. See my output, just able to see a tiny point in this one. That's because I have added the crop filter. So now you have to adjust the crop filter just like any other crop filter. So let me go to that one. So in this crop filter, you can select some of the predefined points, or you can basically select custom point. So once you select the custom point, there are 2 points. So there are 2 points. One is the top left and the dimension. The top left point is the top left corner of the point, and the dimension would provide you with the offset. So you can just click and drag, or you can double click that and type your dimension. So I'll come to the default screen, and then I'll adjust the camera point so that you know how this thing works. I'm dragging and dragging, and drag X and Y. Okay. So we have applied a crop filter to one of the field. So let's try to do a different thing. So not only you can apply a crop filter, you can also, there are many other filters as well. So perhaps we can add another filter to our to another of our source. So let me right click the plane. So this is the plane, and for this I'm going to add a color filter. So I'm basically gonna cut the colors out of it. So you have to again go to the video player, select the object that is present for this video source. So in this case it is the side pane. Go and add another filter. So here you can choose green filter RGB2. So this is a color filter. You can see there are another color filters, but this is the good one, RGB2, and that filter is added. That filter is added to the screen. So I'll come back to the exe window. So now you are seeing the black having come out of it. Now the tool is transparent. So this feature is particularly useful if you are doing presentations. So when you are doing presentation, you can just remove your background and your presentation output will be shown in transparent mode. Like for example, if you have any figures, if you have any blocky text, it will give you an appeal of a 3D presentation. See? So you can disable the filter. Again, go into the default view. So I hope this tutorial was useful on how you can download the tool and then get a basic asset, and simultaneously how you can share your existing screen or any of your resources. As you can see, this tool is really easy to use if you are doing live presentations or live video recording. You can easily share any screen inside this and then add templates or filters on top of that and make a cool presentation. So before going, let me just, we'll see if we can like show the presentation and show a sample PowerPoint in this one. Click this one, goes here. So again, I hope you remember how you can share a screen. So I'm opening a PowerPoint in my computer. Okay, so I'm clicking this one, selecting this one, go to the import button, select the window source and select a PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint menu. Okay. So this is a basic PowerPoint. So I hope everyone will use PowerPoints. So go to the slideshow, and when you are beginning the PowerPoint, okay, PowerPoint appears in another window. I have to import that. So okay, this is the PowerPoint. So now you will be able to see how the PowerPoint looks. Yes. I'm sorry. Change the view. So this is the basic PowerPoint on circuits, and you'll be able to make PowerPoint presentations like this. And one more thing is that you can add filters on top of this. Just right click this and add a filter. Maybe add if you are choosing white, if you are screening the white out of it, now voila, your PowerPoint looks like this. So this is your PowerPoint. So I hope this is useful for online meetings or online presentations or offline presentations. Be able to easily turn your PowerPoints or your existing materials into this. So this is how the context in the PowerPoint appears in the screen. So getting the line out, putting it back, out, putting it back. Okay, so remember this figure comes in the PowerPoint, but when you are showing, you can see how you can like focus on different items, and at the same time it has the luminescence effect that is turned on the PowerPoint, primarily because we are using our tool. Our PowerPoint gets all the lights and shadows that is present. You'll be able to see it here. So I hope through this tutorial you'll be able to use some of the assets that are already inside the page and get benefited out of it. So until next time, so in the next tutorial we'll see much more options on how we can download other assets or make some interesting artifacts or create some assets in this one. So thank you.